Okay, back. I just gave my sister a piece of the chocolate bar. Yeah, this is a My Hero Academia Explosion Candy Bar. This is milk chocolate plus popping candy. So let's give it a try. You hear it? It's chocolate and pop candy. I don't know how I could go bad with that. I think they expect nothing like to shock at it. Sugar to where you would buy it. It's just that calling it an explosion candy bar. Kinda. Let's look at My Hero Academia, one of the most popular animes come out in a while. You like the sound that like pop rocks make. Anyway, weird taste test. If you're ever in Fly at the University Mall and like candy bars, I would say pick it up. I don't know. I just say it's just a freaking. Hope you enjoyed it, I guess. Oh, actually, before I leave, I want to say this. Thank you to 60+ subscribers. Oh my god. This is incredible. I don't know what I don't have anything planned. I guess I don't know. 60. This is incredible. I don't know. I had 60 subscribers, and the freaking Bellator video has now become the most popular video. Tell you what I'll do later in the week, next week I guess, I don't know, next time I have the chance, I'm going to make a video about the Bellator thing, but more calming, to where I'm not angry, I'm just more explaining why I think this got people so upset other than over why a lot of others, I guess, I don't know. Later.